Have you ever dreamed of having your own beautiful garden? Imagine the thrill of transforming an ordinary backyard into a breathtaking oasis, a place of solace and joy crafted by your own hands. If that's a yes, then you're in the right place. Today, we are going to explore the top 7 landscape ideas to turn that dream into a reality. First off, how about an edible garden? Here's the idea. Grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Not only do they look good, but they taste good too. It's a win-win, a feast for the eyes and the palate. Next up, wildlife gardens. Create a habitat that attracts birds, butterflies, and other wildlife. Imagine enjoying nature's spectacle right at home, a little oasis for you and Mother Nature's finest. Thirdly, we have Japanese Zen gardens. Bring tranquility and peace into your life with a minimalist design. We're talking rocks, sand, and a few carefully chosen plants. It's about balance, harmony, and simplicity. Water gardens come in fourth. Incorporate ponds, fountains, or waterfalls for a soothing and dynamic element. It's like having your very own water feature right in your backyard. Fifth, we have xeriscaping. This is ideal for those in dry climates. Use drought-tolerant plants to conserve water and reduce maintenance. It's eco-friendly and practical. Next, cottage gardens. Overflowing with flowers, shrubs, and herbs, this style gives a charming and cozy feel. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. And finally, we have modern gardens for those who prefer clean lines and simplicity. The design features geometric shapes and a restricted color palette. It's sleek, it's chic, it's modern. With these ideas, your dream garden is within your grasp. Remember, the garden of your dreams is not far away. With these top 7 landscape ideas, you're equipped to start planning your own garden paradise. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!